This is a HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings by tapping at the cog icon at this taskbar or app bar. Then at the search field of settings, type in the data usage or simply data. Once the respective data usage field pops up, tap at it simply, and over here to the right half of the screen, you'll be able to see the statistics about the Wi-Fi data used on this device, daily, weekly, and monthly. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.